Nutmeg is the seed or ground spice of several species of the genus Myristica. Myristica fragrans is a dark-leaved evergreen tree cultivated for two spices derived from its fruit, nutmeg from its seed, and mace from the seed covering. It is also a commercial source of an essential oil and nutmeg butter. What is nutmeg used for? Nutmeg is a key ingredient in many baked goods. Add to seasonal beverages such as eggnog, mulled cider, and mulled wine. Use it in fall dishes, such as ones that feature pumpkin or other winter squashes. Try cooking dishes from Southern and Southeastern Asia, or visit a new restaurant that offers the cuisine. How is nutmeg a narcotic? Both nutmeg and mace contain the active ingredient myristicin, which possesses narcotic properties. Nutmeg butter contains elemicin and myristicin, which are also narcotic and cause psychotropic effects. Does nutmeg make you sleepy? Nutmeg has a calming effect when consumed in smaller doses. Various ancient medicinal practices credit it for its sleep-inducing and distressing effects. According to Ayurveda, you should add a pinch of nutmeg to a glass of warm milk and have it before sleeping. How do you use nutmeg to lose weight? Everything put together will lead to weight loss. Amreen Sheikh, a dietitian and nutritionist from Wockhardt Hospital, Mumbai, suggests that a little less than half a teaspoon or a pinch of nutmeg powder every alternate day can be your tonic for weight loss.